is what it is. You guys are getting it raw and uncut and direct. What's cracking, you guys? This is your boy Gordo. We're back with another video, and on this video we're actually gonna go drop off my brother's truck. If you guys remember, he did pick up a Cateye a couple months ago, maybe like 2 months ago, or coming up on 2 months. We've been fighting it, trying to fix a little issues here and there, and it still needs a tune since it does have a 6.0 swap. We haven't gotten around it. He is busy, always working, etc., etc., and then he hasn't been wanting to do much to it. We have been trying to fix the little bugs since it does have a 6.0 swap, but he decided to go ahead and throw on a sunroof. It is getting a Webasto, so we did get word that the Webastos are no more, they're not being manufactured anymore, but they have been completely discontinued. So we give you guys a quick little before and after. Well, as you guys can see, I am bedbound, so I haven't been able to, I guess, record much, document a lot of things, because I haven't done much since I am trying to heal this wound completely, because I'm telling you guys, it's like taking over my complete life. There's not much I can do. I have to be in bed most of the time in order for that wound to heal, since it is in a spot where there's constant pressure. So we make progress, and then I get up and I want to take care of a million things, and I end up backtracking all that progress that we make, you know what I mean? So what we're gonna do on this one is I'm gonna go ahead and record this quick intro, and then we'll have a montage of us dropping off, well, not us, because I'm not going, but my brother's dropping off the truck. Hopefully I'll get up tomorrow and I'll record when we pick it up, the before and after, you know what I mean? You'll get this, the whole spill of it. But let's go ahead and enjoy the quick little trip out to Riverside, and then we'll go from there. Vámonos.
I got lost in the other buildings.
Yeah, everybody usually sends you over there. Yeah, usually sends you over there. But yeah, we'll get it done. It's
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Work schedule.
Oh, tomorrow I'm off. But tomorrow I'll be over here in Fontana.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna drop off my brother's truck to get dropped.
Oh, okay.
So aquí me vengo para acá.
Okay, yeah.
Como las 12, 1 for that.
I'll keep you updated where I'm
Oh,
at.
wherever you're at. But yeah, I'm off tomorrow all day, so whenever you're.
Okay, yeah, we'll do it like that.
Alright.
Yeah,
cool.
Okay. Entonces,
I'm sure got some keys, bro.
Yeah, whatever you need. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
The next day.
What's cracking, you guys? We're back. We're picking up this one late afternoon. We're actually on the way to pick up my brother's Cateye. It got a sunroof done within a day. I think he dropped it off yesterday. Well, they went, like I had told you guys in the video, I stayed home. And I am up today, not because of choice. Well, it is a choice at the end of the day, but I just got up to do my brother a favor and bring him by. We're on the way. We should be there within an hour and 20 minutes. It's rush hour, so there's a bunch of traffic at the moment. We'll get through it though. So I'll pick up the camera as soon as we got the truck. I'll give you guys a couple of road clips since the owner or whoever's, I'm not gonna mention them, but whoever's throwing on the sunroof said he didn't want to come on camera. We'll respect it, but he won't get a shout out either. It is what it is. So I'll give you guys some rolling clips as soon as we pick up the truck, and I'll give you guys the inside on how they did and give you guys an honest opinion. But yeah, he ended up getting a Webasto. The word is that the Webastos are not being manufactured anymore. They were discontinued, so they were up there on the price, but it is what it is. All right, you guys, see you guys in a bit. Vámonos. As you guys seen, there was a bunch of traffic, so I didn't give you guys that many clips of the road. And well, as you've seen, it's dark now, so we were sitting in traffic for quite a while. But we're actually in front of my brother's truck. You're satisfied with the Harley? You like it? Yeah? Well, and sí se mira chida, to be honest, and it's Webasto, so can't go any other way. I know there's a lot of other aftermarket sunroofs out there, but the quality of this brand is cool. And then when you turn off the truck, it closes automatically in case you forget to close it, you know, for those rainy days. But it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little montage of how it looks, my brother opening it, and then we'll go from there. We'll hopefully I can get some rollers too. It's dark, it's already dark, so no se va a ver bien, but I'll still give you guys whatever we can. Vámonos. Alright, as you guys can see, my brother did end up getting the sunroof done. My dad couldn't show you guys the before and after, right? They had finished and went to pick it up and it was dark already, so I couldn't show you guys like the roller videos or anything like that. But I mean, they did a pretty good job. The inside is nice and upholstered. He did the black suede and he did the sun visors to match it up with. But I mean, pretty cool. A good turnout. It came out pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we're actually getting ready to change all his headlights, all the bulbs to LEDs, and give it a different look. But you guys are gonna have to wait for the next video so you guys can check it out and see how it ends up turning out. We'll give you guys a before and an after, and then we'll go from there. But definitely recommend a spoiler sunroof on these single cabs. They look real good. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Vámonos.